Kinetic Solutions creates software tailored to manage student accommodation, hospitality and conferences. Their industry-leading software allows clients to cut costs, improve customer service and manage their businesses better.
Kinetic as a company, in the 15 years we've been operating, now has 120 UK universities, but also we now have over 300 customers worldwide. The main areas we're focusing on within our software is the student experience. When they or their parents are trying to decide which accommodation they're going to choose, using the latest web technologies, giving people access to things like floor plans and pictures, it just is like booking a hotel. We do differ from other companies. There are three main ways really that try to really be an ethos to the whole company. The first is how we actually listen and talk to our customers. It's very, very easy to start to assume that what works for one customer would be perfect for another, but this industry and this sector particularly, it is very, very diverse. So we really try to get hands-on, we try and work with our customers, we send teams out to deal with things on arrival days. We don't deliver technology just because it's trendy or it's nice, and we really try and make those sorts of parts relevant. Things like room inspections, where using mobile devices we're actually able to go around and actually check a student's room, decide if there's been any damage, charge for that damage, but also manage their summer maintenance program. So if they've decided that all the chairs need replacing, they know which ones they need to replace and how they can replace them. And then the third is our service. So we really try to make sure all our staff empathise and understand how difficult it can be at certain times of the year. And I guess all three of those really mean that we can then approach the student life cycle and address very, very specific issues. So things like arrival passes we use that make it much easier for a student when they're arriving. They can bring it on their phone, they don't have to scratch around for pieces of paper. They can actually really sort of concentrate on what they want to do, which is come to university and not have the hassle of where they're going and what they're doing. In terms of new products and new things we're working on, a lot of it is about a student when they're actually on campus and what they can actually deliver and see when they're here. Obviously online shopping has exploded, and when we've been going around the country and talking to people who have to manage this situation, it's turned from an odd parcel in the corner of a room to now thousands, if not tens of thousands of parcels arriving all times of year. So we've built software there that addresses the logistics side of the process, but also makes it something that they can persuade students to do things differently. So through other messaging, texting, Facebook, Twitter, however they want to talk to the student, it actually tells them their parcel's arrived, but it tells them maybe in a friendly way that yeah, they really should try and collect it quickly rather than just a boring email that would have come from systems of old. The people who actually work for Kinetic are really wanting to get the most out of systems or processes moving forward, and it just keeps us very much on our toes.
For more information, visit kineticsolutions.co.uk.